This is the Glen of Imaal military range here in Wicklow. These troops behind me here are forming up and getting ready on their mission readiness exercise to head to Lebanon for the 126th Infantry Battalion. They'll replace the current troops that are out there. What's happened there now is this is testing their readiness for an attack on an Irish convoy near the blue line. An IED has exploded and that IED has injured a number of Irish soldiers. This is the QRF, the quick reaction force that responds and helps them. These white vehicles behind are essentially what would respond from UNP 652, which is an Irish outpost right next to that demarcation line on the Israeli and Lebanese border.
The mandate hasn't changed, the mission that we operate on hasn't changed, the operational environment that we have at the moment has changed. It's in evolution at the moment, and that's why I suppose the Irish Defence Forces need to be adaptable and flexible. We need to be robust and resilient in our approach to this, and this field training exercise over the last 72 hours is there just to test and evaluate how ready we are for that.